Stop scrolling. This Shorts channel is making $159,000 every month. And they're not filming anything. No face, no team, no experience. I broke down exactly how they do it, and you can copy this starting today. Most people will miss this part. This channel uploads simple shorts, but every video pulls hundreds of thousands to millions of views. No original filming, no editing skills. So what's actually going on? Here's the exact system, step by step. Step 1. Niche formula. Step 1 is the niche. They don't guess. They pick proven viral topics. Motivation, money, facts, AI storytelling. Why? Because these trigger emotion plus curiosity, the two things the algorithm pushes the hardest. But niche alone doesn't make money. The next step does. Step 2. Content system. They use a simple 3-step system. 1. AI writes the script. 2. AI turns it into voice. 3. Add clips plus captions. That's it. Each video takes under 10 minutes. No camera, no stress. But this is where most people fail. Step 3. Viral engine. They win in the first 2 seconds. Every video starts with a hook that makes you stop scrolling. Then, fast cuts, big captions, no dead time. And they post 2 to 5 shorts every day. More shots equals more chances to go viral. Step 4. Money system. They don't rely on one income stream, they stack. YouTube monetization, affiliate links, digital products. One viral short can drive traffic for weeks. That's how small videos turn into big money. Now you know exactly how they're doing it. But here's the truth. Most people will watch this and do nothing. If you start today, you're already ahead of 95%. Pick a niche. Post your first short. If you want the exact tools, prompts, and setup, comment shorts below. I'll send you everything to get started. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.